Write any three numbers that come before the given number. See first example 99, 312, 407, 500. 500 is a given number. Then write down before number the given number. See before number 99, then 312, then 407. Three numbers are before number. Then see next example 601. Write down here before number. Suppose I write down here 204, then 316, 400, 441. As you like, we take as you like, but given number before number we write. Then see next example 740. Okay, I write 140, 114, then 220, 336, then 956. Okay, we take any three number, but what before number? Write down 516, 517, then 718, 876. Okay, write three numbers that come after the given number. Which given number? 412. 412. First important point, see, very important point, write down in your notebook. If we add 1 in any number, we get the next number. We have find here next number 412. Add 1, that's why I add 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 1 and 4. Which number we get? 430. Write down here 430. Again, we find next number. Again add 1. We get which number? 3 plus 1, 4. 1 and 4 means we find 414. Again, we find here next number. Again add 1 number. Again add 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Write down 1 and 5. Which number we find? We get 450. Understood? See next 678. This is a given number. Very important point. If we add 1 in any number, we get the next number. What we find? Next number find. That's why we add 1 here. 8 plus 1, 9. 7, 6. Which number we get? 679. Write down 679. Then again add 1. We find next number. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 7, 8. 6. Which number we get? 680. Again add 1. We find next number. 0 plus 1, 1. 8. 6. Which number find? 681. Means, see, very important point. If we add 1 in any number, we get the next number. Understand? Write three numbers that come before the given number. Which given number? 380. How to find? See, first important point. If we subtract 1 from any number, we get 944. Again find. Just before number means again subtract 1. 4 minus 1 3, 4 9. Which number we get? 943. Write down 943. We find 3 just before number 946. See again importance point is